there, teammates! Welcome to my channel, Christine Babao's channel. And I'm still with my beautiful inaanak.
Hello, everyone.
Si Tet, Great Witch. Ngayon Great Witch na siya.
Exactly.
Diba? If you remember, guys, and you can visit our playlist, 4 years ago, was it? Or 5 years ago, 2019, was the first time I did the vlog. Actually, several vlogs yon with my inaanak. Tet, here at Exquisite Manila. So, 4 na vlogs yata yun, guys. About bags, shoes, at kung ano-ano pa. So visit also those vlogs sa ating playlist, which I will put sa description box. So by now, I'm sure napanood nyo na yung new vlog ni Papu, which is all about watches. So, ang ganda ng vlog na yon. But if you're not a watch person, dito kayo sa vlog natin kung ikaw ay isang bag enthusiast. Dito kasi ang ating vlog ngayon is all about bags.
Yes.
Ako, Tet, I'm a bag person more than a shoe person.
Yeah.
Are you a bag or shoe person?
Both. Actually, mas more on
Oh,
bags.
Ako rin eh,
Yeah.
bag. I would rather spend for a bag than spend for shoes. Hindi rin ako watch person. In fact, yung watch na ito, di ba, naikwento namin sa ni Papu, ito lang yung tanging watch ko na memorable pa na binili namin sa Vienna. Yung binili namin noon sa Vienna, nag-appreciate na pala in value yun.
Yes, yes.
Para yung binili namin, parang 120,000 lang. Ngayon,
Yung kanya now is 600
mahal na
plus
pala.
na.
Wow!
Yeah.
Investment din talaga yung watches. Anyway, basta, all about watches, vlog yon ni Papu.
Yes.
But this time, we will talk about, ito yung most prized daw na luxury brand, most coveted, or ito yung dream ng marami, ang Hermes. So today, guys, we will talk about bags, but particularly Hermes. But before that, meron tayong muna sasabihin. Home of Exquisite Taste by Exquisite Manila Incorporated is not affiliated, associated, authorized, endorsed by, or in any way officially connected with the brands of the products we sell in our physical stores or feature on our site, mga social media. All names, marks, emblems, and images are registered trademarks of their original owners.
Yes.
But it doesn't mean na hindi legit ang mga makikita at mabibili nyo dito sa Exquisite Manila because everything that is sold here, whether they're luxury bags, watches, or shoes, are all
Authentic.
Okay? Yun na nga na. You can take comfort in the fact and you can be assured that your hard-earned money will go to only authentic items. Just
Yes.
like these, much coveted, di ba? At saka, ito yung aspirational talaga eh, sa marami, di ba,
yes.
Tet? Yung Hermes luxury brand. So,
Yeah.
are you familiar with the brand, Hermes? Kung medyo newbie pa kayo dito sa brand na to at kung ano ng mga designs meron ng Hermes. Para doon sa nagdi-dream, nagwi-wish, o di kaya ay aspirational ang brand na ito ng Hermes. Eto na, let's all learn about Hermes. Kasi through the years, syempre, ang daming mga tumusulpot na iba-ibang designs ng Hermes. Di ba, Tet? Ang dami-daming klase ng leather.
Yes.
Tapos iba-iba yung sizes. Minsan nakaka-overwhelm.
Yeah.
Don't you worry because Tet is here para i-educate tayo about Hermes. Ayan. Go ahead,
Hello
Tet.
guys, how are you? Welcome here at Exquisite Manila. Now I'm going to show you different models of Hermes bags and different sizes and leather and kung ano-ano pa yung mga bagong lumabas ngayon ng Hermes na uso ngayon. So now we'll start with the basic ones. Ito yung pinaka-classic at
This is a
pinaka-sikat.
classic.
This
Go, Tet.
is the classic ones. Hermes in different sizes. This is size 35. This is size 30. And this is the 25.
25 din?
25 yan.
Okay.
Ito yung pinaka-smallest ng Birkin. Actually, may mas malaki pa dito, but we don't have it here. May 40,
Ooh.
may 50, 55. Yung mga pang-travel na yon. And usually men's bag. Ito yung leather na magaan. Tinatawag dito ay Epsom leather in gold hardware. Then we have the Togo, which is the classic leather. Ito yung standard. And then we have the Clemence. Medyo similar siya, pero yung Clemence mas mabigat ng konti sa Togo.
Tingnan.
O, diba?
Yes. Tama. Similar yung feel, yung texture, pero ito,
yung look nila
mas mabigat
similar,
niya.
yung grains
Yeah.
nila.
Yes.
And this is the Epsom leather, which is the lightest leather. It's similar to this, pero ito, return siya, yung tahi niya nasa loob. Yung ito naman, yung selye, yung tahi niya nasa labas. So, depende sa type mo. Magkaiba yung edges niya, pansin mo?
Oh!
Diba? Ang comparison between Cellier and Retorn, yung tahi nito nasa labas. Ito naman, yung tahi niya nasa loob. So, actually, ang Cellier, mas less siyang mag-dent compared sa Retorn. Kaya kung mapapansin mo, after some time, medyo nagde-dent na yung Retorn.
Kasi nasa loob
Pero
yung
may
tahi.
mga taong gusto nila na hindi structured. Kasi ito, stiff and structured. So maganda ang Cellier pag smaller size.
O yung like this one.
Yes.
Alright. Then we go to the
Next.
other designs ng Hermes.
We have, as mentioned kanina, we had Kelly, the different sizes. So this is the mini Kelly. Isa to sa mga uso ngayon. The smaller it is, the better it is.
And
For
the
mga-
smaller it is, mas
Mas
mahal.
mahal.
Si Ivana, binagrade ko siya. 20 yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Ganyan yung kanya.
Yeah, actually,
Although
maraming
niya
gusto
sinabi
niya.
how much. But here, since this is a store, can we mention how much that is?
Nag-range yung mga mini Kelly between 1.3 to 1.7, depende sa color at saka sa leather niya. But ito kasing black in Epsom leather is very classic, mahirap mahanap to, at saka very in demand ng combination ng palladium hardware, which is like a silver, and black. Super nice talaga siya.
This is brand new.
It's brand new.
And it cost,
Yeah, 1.798. Yan. But you can pay it in layaway terms. You accept layaway terms.
Yan, narinig nyo.
Yes.
Here at Exquisite Manila, you can buy your dream bag if it's this mini Kelly
Yeah.
because may layaway ang
Program.
Exquisite Manila. So,
Yeah.
call na. Marami ba yung malalagay dito, Ted? Yung talaga na-amaze ako eh. Kasi ako, I'm not a small bag woman or momshi or tita.
You'll be
Mas ito yung
surprised.
pipiliin ko malaki. But I'll be surprised kasi maraming malalagay.
If you open it, you can put credit cards, makeup, powder, mirror, car keys, what else? Siyempre yung phone mo, kung malaki, ilalabas mo na lang. So actually, you can leave your house with a phone and this, you'll survive.
Spacious pala.
Yes.
Yung power bank lang di
Saka
nakasya.
may strap yan, pwedeng sling bag yan.
Oh, okay. That's good about it. Kasi ito hindi pwedeng lagyan ng strap. Walang
Yeah.
strap ang Birkin.
Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa loob.
Oh, naman. Tama. Pero yun palang main difference, no? Ang
Yeah.
Birkin, walang strap. Hindi siya pwedeng gawing sling bag. Tama? All the Birkins. But the
Yeah.
Kellys,
Meron
yan,
siyang
may
strap.
Alright.
So we also have some sling bags here na pwedeng body bag din siya. I'll just name it one by one.
Okay.
Ito yung Ruly. Yan. It's really nice because hindi siya ganun kasing expensive ng Constance, which is this.
Oo nga.
Pero same sila. They're the same body bag. Sling bag sila.
There's the same, parang same size ba? Spacious? Ay, parang mas spacious pa to.
Spacious pa yan.
Parang double, oh.
Pero
Yung
ito kasi mas iconic yung Constance eh, kasi may letter H siya dyan.
Oo.
Mas mahal siya,
Oh,
halos
yeah.
double the price siya compared sa Ruly.
And it's because of that H. Yung
Yeah.
H na yan na buckle sa labas.
Exactly.
Tama ba? Yung hardware na H yun na nagpapamahal dyan.
Yes, this
So,
is Constance Mauve in rose gold hardware. So, super in demand din this color kasi alam mo naman ng mga girls, they like pink.
and this one is in
That's 498 in gray tone.
Ruly, ang tawag,
Ruly, yeah, with
in
S,
gray
pero
tone.
you know naman French.
Oo, yes.
Ruly,
Pasilip
Ruly,
nga kung
yeah.
gaano ka-spacious
Marami
ito.
kang malalagay dyan. Wallet, pwede.
Hindi lang wallet, kasya na dito ang power
Phone,
bank.
yeah,
Convinced
power
na ako
bank.
na remote control, remote control ng aircon. Wallet ni Papu. Shades ni Papu. Ayan, Ruly. Yan. Papu Ruly ang tawag dyan. Alright. Bago ba to? Ruly or classic din to?
Matagal na rin siya, pero mas popular
Mas popular
kasi
yung may
Constance.
H yung Constance. Mas
And
mahal
then we
yan.
have here the Halsan 20. I like this one kasi hindi siya, well, affordable siya, and plus you can hold it like this. Tapos ang dami niyang pockets sa front and back. So pwede mo lang ilagay yung cellphone mo. Tapos pwede siyang parang alak lang, suksok mo lang yung mga gamit mo dyan. Very easy. Tapos pag gusto mong sling bag, gaganon mo lang siya and then you can put it na in your body.
And what kind of leather is
This
this?
is Clemence.
Clemence. Oh,
Pag Clemence kasi
ganda.
malambot siya. Tapos
Oo, maganda
malalaki
yung
yung
leather.
grains niya. And then we have here the Mini 24. This is actually super nice kasi para siyang Kelly na Birkin na combination ng style.
Oh, bago rin yan.
It's also
Or classic
popular.
na
Medyo mas lumabas siya newer than the others. So ayan, mamu. Maganda sa kanya, may strap din siya, and then it's like a handbag also.
Oh, spacious na yan.
Super daming malalagay dyan.
Parang
kasi-
Kelly rin, no? In a way, yung
Yeah.
shape niya.
Parang
Pero
siyang Birkin.
softer.
Yeah.
Softer. O, tsaka parang, parang Birkin.
Everrose.
Pinaghalo.
This Mamu is Mini 24 in Everrose leather and in Rouge H. It's like maroon. So malambot siya. It's very, very nice. Super elegant nung color niya. See?
Tapos meron din Hermes nakalagay sa labas.
Oh, yeah.
Ayun,
Maraming
Hermes
malalagay.
Paris,
Dito mo
oo.
makikita yung malalagay mong
Yes,
items.
yung spaciousness.
Kasya yung cellphone dyan.
And then the price is it as expensive as the Constance?
778. But
It's,
then again, this
cheaper
can
than the
be paid
Constance.
for a layaway.
Again,
Yeah.
layaway. So, ang leather nito, nakalimutan natin sabihin, anong leather nitong Constance na to?
Epsom.
Epsom. And this one?
Epsom.
Epsom. Pareho sila. Epsom.
Evercolor, it's the same as this. Ito yung Epsom, same as this.
Yun. Got it.
Ayan. And then, lastly,
Ayan, familiar ako dyan. Lindy.
ito yung Lindy natin, iba-ibang sizes. Of course, ito yung pinakauso ngayon. Mini Lindy, yan. This is brand new.
Mini rin ba ang
Super
price ng
cute.
mini Lindy? Oo. Mga
Well,
magkano?
for what it is, medyo... Oh yeah, but well, it's still not a bad price
Yeah.
considering how cute it is.
But is
Magkano
it
to?
cheaper than the Birkin?
Yeah. Oo,
Lower price
compared
than the
sa-
Birkin?
oo.
Lower than a Kelly, of course.
Lower than a Kelly.
So, around, hulaan ko, 500,
698.
698.
So, kay Mamu, ito, super good deal to. Actually, naka-sale to now.
Yes,
Ang ganda-ganda ng condition niya. It's Lindy 26. No? It is color red. Pero alam mo kung magkano na lang siya ngayon? 398.
398 na lang, guys. Ito na yung
Diba?
chance nyo if you ever see someone like a celebrity. Kasi
Yeah.
maraming celebrities, ha. They
Yes.
magta-travel sila, nakikita ko suot nila Lindy. So if you ever see this kind of bag worn by your favorite celebrity, ito yung maganda dito. Yung zipper niya, may H.
Yes.
For Hermes. So, hindi man siya yung sumisigaw na, Hermes, Hermes! Di katulad ng iba, like yung Constance, may H talaga.
Yeah.
Pero it's still a classic at saka sobrang spacious niya. Ang dami niyong malalagay sa loob. And, to top it all, sale siya!
Yeah. Ito naman, Mamu, is brand new Lindy 26 in mauve color. In palladium hardware. So, napakabango ng pagka-pink niya. Kung makikita mo, parang may undertone siya ng gray.
Oo.
Parang same as this. Tama, magka-color sila. Ayan.
Yes.
Yan yung mga bagong lumabas ng light pink ngayon ng Hermes. Ayan. And, yeah, very reasonable yung price. Around 698. Payable in layaway. Okay din. So, very affordable. Kayang-kaya ng mga...
So for those who are
moms
watching this,
dyan.
paano ba yung layaway na to? Layaway via credit card? O layaway pwede bang post-dated checks and then makukuha lang nila pag fully paid na nila?
Exactly.
How is the process like?
Yeah, it's like they're going to give PDCs and then we have to clear this PDCs before they can claim.
Before
The
you can bring
item.
this home,
Yeah.
ayan, makiklear mo na all the PDCs.
Yes.
Up to how many years?
Actually, kaya namin
months?
until usually 6 months, but
Ayun.
pwede namin extend hanggang 1 year, 18 months. But the
Whoa.
price will vary, pero konting difference lang naman.
For pag 1 year. So the longer mo babayaran,
Yeah.
may konting taas lang.
Yeah, very minimal.
Na, kayang-kaya. O yan na, girls, this is your chance to own an Hermes. Teka, mag-a-apply lang ba yung layaway dyan lang or any of these?
Everything in the shop.
Oh, everything in the
Yes.
shop, guys. You can buy through their system na layaway, tama, plan
yes, yes.
Or program.
Yeah.
Ang galing. And ito, guys.
Yeah.
Hi, Heart.
Hello, Heart. Ito, painted to ni Heart, actually. I'm not sure if I'm willing this to let go, pero if to those who like it with art in the bag, this is like daily document bag. You can
it's a
also use it
shawl.
as your daily bag, pero mas more on papers, more on documents.
Meron ding strap yan or ganyan lang talaga?
Wala, ganyan lang siya.
Ayan siya. Pero maganda dito, guys, kasi it's like buying a piece of art. Like, hindi lang siya sa canvas na katulad na nasa likod na canvas
Yes.
na gano'n. Pero nasa bag
Mahal na
siya.
si Heart now, ah.
Oo, mahal na. Imagine. So, ayan, may sign. May signature ni Heart. HM. And so kung gusto nyong shala, pag pumasok kayo sa office, dala-dala niyo yung mga documents niyo, kung ikaw ay lawyer, di ba? Or something. Pagpasok niyo sa office, magtitinginan yung mga tao, ay, ang ganda ng bag. So this is now priced at
$498.
$498. Oh, di ba? A piece of art, a piece of heart.
Heart.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Ito yung gusto ko actually. You mean this is your personal bag na
Yeah, but
heart painted on?
Heart painted. It's my personal bag, pero it's okay if they wanna have it. They can. I'm willing.
Or visit the store and you'll see it here na para siyang isang artwork. Di ba?
exactly.
Yan. Ito, finally, favorite ni Papu. si
Mini
si Evelyn.
Si Miss Evelyn. This is one of the most affordable model of Hermes.
Hermes, yan. This is so
Yan.
affordable that it's only brand new,
Around 200, yan.
200.
Sling
See?
bag. Dati mura lang to, pero you know naman Hermes, it always increases every year. Kaya hindi siya nakakapanghinayang bilhin.
Yeah.
And every year nagtataas siya ng price. Lahat ng model ng Hermes.
If you buy the bag, use it and enjoy it. And then
Exactly.
later on, kung maganda naman yung pagkakagamit nyo, alagang-alaga naman, ay pwede nyo ibenta. At kung madumihan man, remember what Ted said, kung madumihan o magasgasan man,
You can send it here at Exquisite Care. We cater to bags that have scuffings, scratches, stains, everything that you need to restore your bag in a pristine condition. We can do it for you.
yeah, just like new, guys. Just like new. Anything else you want to add? Invite them to the store kasi meron din silang luggage dito, by the way. So there. Tet, invite mo na sila.
Yeah, I would like to invite you guys to visit our shop here at Century Mall, 2nd floor, Kalayaan, Makati. We are near Rockwell and the Bel Air villages here, so it's very convenient to come. We have a lot of restaurants here in the mall, and also marami kaming sale dito na watches. Today, I'm going to present to you our Yachtmaster collection in different styles. For those at sea, staying on course is a constant challenge. The Oyster Perpetual Yachtmaster has been equipped with a bidirectional rotatable vessel that facilitates the calculation reading of navigational time. Here's a serious hot take. The Yachtmaster 37mm Oyster Flex. Yes, it's true. I love this watch. That's incredibly ironious statement because I find the Yachtmaster itself a relatively useless tool and a real ode to luxury and excess. If you like to opt for a two-tone watch, we have this Oyster Perpetual Yachtmaster 40. Many watches are available with the now legendary combination of yellow or ever rose gold and steel known as Walliser. Elegantly combining functionality and nautical style, these Yachtmaster pieces have made its mark well beyond its professional realm. Wish to have these ones? You can get it here at Exquisite Manila, Century Mall, 2nd floor, Calayan Avenue, Makati City.
These are already our gift recommendations or gift
Exactly.
suggestions because nga tama ka, Tet, Christmas is coming. So you
Yes.
still have time to save up and pay for that perfect gift for your loved ones. Papu, Papu, Papu.
Collections dito sa Exquisite Manila. We have a different brands such as Hermes. This is Hermes Kelly 25 in gold hardware, in Togo leather. Ito yung ibang Hermes naman natin. We have Mini Lindy in neutral colors. Then we also have Mini Kelly. Ito yung super in demand now. Size 20.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Okay. Ito yung
Yeah.
ating difference ng Mini Kelly and the Kelly 25. Ayan.
So this is 20,
20 and this is 25.
25. May kasunod pang 20, di ba?
Meron pero ano na lang siya, accessories na lang. Hindi na siya pwedeng lagyan ng kahit ano.
Sa sobrang liit, talaga pang may malalagay dito, Tet.
Yeah, you'll be surprised. Pwedeng lipstick, credit card, mirror, pang party talaga siya. Iba ngayon ng phone, hawak na lang. Tapos lahat ng mga, diba, cash, whatever.
Maliit for
Ito,
me.
ito
Maliit
yung-
for me, para sa mga nanay na maraming dala lagi. Okay,
At
next.
this is what you call the mini Evelyn. Yan. Shoulder bag din, body bag din siya. Marami ding malalagay sa loob. Pwedeng iPhone, wallet, makeup. Uso rin yan. And then we have this classic Birkin 30. Yan. In neutral colors. Yan, mga brand new yan, mamu.
Parehong 30 to.
Yes, size 30.
Okay. Anong tela? Anong...
Togo.
This is Togo. Both Togo.
Yes.
Okay. Ano bang karakteristik ng Togo leather?
Well, it's very durable. It doesn't easily get scratched. And then, ito yung pinaka-standard na mabibili mo pag magpunta ka sa store ng Hermes. Usually, yan yung laging, kumbaga, yung classic leather nila.
Na easily available.
Matibay
kumbaga.
siya kasi medyo thicker siya than other leathers. No?
And madali ba, malambot ba? Yan.
Yeah, it's very soft.
Yeah, oo nga. Pero and yet,
Pero hindi siya
does it
shiny.
retain its shape?
Yeah, of course.
Yan. O yan. So, alam nyo na guys, ha? Yan ang size ng 30.
Yes.
Tapos, next.
Tapos we have naman Chanel's. Here are the classic flap. Ito yung super nag-i-increase ng value every year. Sometimes every 6 months, nag-appreciate siya. This is good price. We're selling it at very good price. Now the market value of this is 700,
Wow!
but we're selling it lang at 598.
Wow, ang bilis magtaas ng
Yes.
presyo, Tet. Bakit? Parang every year, 100,000 ang tinataas.
Yeah, at
Oh.
least 10% per
Oh.
year. And we have the WOC, the wallet and chain, and the mini vanity camera case bag. Yeah, sorry. These are the mini sling bags.
Ito, ano to?
Yes. Wallet on chain. Pero Leboy design.
Hey boy,
This is the mini flap.
mini flap. So, kung ito mini, ito ay
Jumbo.
jumbo. So, for size comparison,
Yes.
pwede ba natin ipakita?
So,
Ayan.
meron pa siyang mini, may small, then may medium, and then this is the jumbo.
Yun.
Then may maxi after that.
Oh, meron pang mas malaki. Oh, what's the tela?
This is lambskin.
Yan. All of them are lambskin?
Ito, this is caviar. If you notice, there's
Caviar.
like parang greens.
Yun.
So it doesn't scratch easily. Ito naman yung medyo sensitive. But it's smooth and shiny. Mas pang formal event.
May mga year pa bang mga Chanel? Year
These are
made
all
or-
chip series na siya.
When you
Hindi
say
na siya
chip
card.
series,
Wala na siyang card.
oo.
Meron na siyang integrated hardware sa loob.
Saan area ng bag nakikita yon?
Somewhere here.
Tapos yung chip na yon, ano yun? Parang pag in-scan ba
Here,
yan
I'm
or
sorry.
something?
There.
Ayun, ang
Nandiyan na
chip,
yung serial
guys.
na, Ayan.
Ayun, dati kasi nga card. Ayan, may serial number. Yun. To find
Para
out that
hindi na
it's
siya-
authentic, no?
Correct.
Kasi yung card, baka mapeke rin yun, di ba?
Yeah, maraming fake na lumalabas ngayon na Chanel card. So, super, talaga, careful.
Pero yung mga version na may card, ibig sabihin matagal na yon, tumataas din ba value nun?
Yeah, some of it. Kasi ito recent na to, mga 2 years, 3 years lang yung chip series. So, before, it was card and hologram.
Oh, tumataas yung value
Yeah.
ng may hologram. Tumataas din.
Yeah,
Nag-appreciate
especially for
din.
the classic ones, the mga flaps, it goes up.
Which one appreciates? Yung double flap
Talaga,
or
yeah,
single
double-
flap?
Double flap.
Double flap talaga. Ayun. Show what a double flap is for those who...
Double flap
Don't
is
know.
like this. 1,
Yan.
2. Pag single, wala nito.
Oo.
Then there's a 2-button thing here. See?
Yun. Yan ang mas nag-appreciate.
Yes, this one.
Kahit nasa secondary market.
Yes.
Oh, yun.
Okay, this midi flap is around 300 plus. Yan.
Grabe ng tinaas ng mga Chanel.
Yeah.
No? Alright,
And then we
next.
have, ito yung mga Gucci bags that are, we can use on casual days, like the typical Gucci logo and canvas. Ito yung,
Pero iba yung strap niya. Tinan mo.
yeah, tricolor.
Yeah.
Ito yung mga mini bag that you can use as sling bags.
Yeah. Gucci yan. For
And
those who
then
love
we-
Italian brand.
Yeah, we
Next.
also have this Louis Vuitton Bandolera 25, the on-the-go handbag / sling bag. Ito yung mga nauuso ngayon ng mga bags. It's called Pauline. Yan, medyo mga mura lang yan. Affordable
Ba't siya
yan.
nauso, yung Pauline?
It's a trend bag.
Sa mga bata? Young ones?
Yeah, yung Gen Zs,
Gen
like that.
Zs?
Oo.
Ayun pala yun. Mahal ba to? Te?
Hindi naman. Nasa mga 20 plus.
So affordable.
Yeah, very affordable. Sa mga beginners.
Ang mga beginners, got it.
And then we have also like the Goyard. Of course, everybody knows Goyard. What
Classic
Goyard
ba ang Goyard?
Classic
Ano?
yan. Because Goyard actually is very handy to use. It's very light. The leather is very thin, pero durable. And ito yung super highly sought after na Goyard bag. It's called St. Louis. We have that in medium and large.
Why is it sought after?
it's super light eh. Parang you're just carrying like a paper bag.
Tapos matibay.
Matibay siya. And then
Can
we
you see
have...
it? That's yun na natin
Here,
pala
I'll
yung
show you.
lightness of being. Yan, go.
Yan. Super nice siya. Pwedeng pang beach, pwedeng pang everyday.
Anong tela niya?
It's leather, pero manipis yung leather niya.
Yun. How much
It's
yung
hand-painted.
retail niya? Hand-painted.
Hand-painted yung design niya. But
Oh.
of course, it's manufactured already. But originally, ano siya talaga? Painting
Hand-painted.
niya.
Yun,
Hand-painted
okay. And the price range ng mga
About
Goyard?
120 plus. Made in Paris.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Goyard.
And
Yan,
then
Goyard
we
din yung
have-
katabi niya, Tet. Ayan, oh.
Yeah, the doctor's bag.
Yeah. Goyard din. Next.
Then we have Givenchy. This one is what we call the Pandora. And we have this...
Pandora.
Yes.
Next.
Vanity kit of Christian Dior.
Okay.
So basically, these are the samples of the different brands that we carry here in the shop. So we have other brands and styles pa in our other cabinets.
Yeah.
So, you want to take a look at it?
Oo. Tingnan natin mamaya. Pero based on your client no, na pumupunta dito, mga suki ninyo, ano yung pinaka bestseller na brand ng bag? Yung most in demand?
Top 5, like that.
Yes.
In our experience, it's
Oo.
always Chanel,
Mhm.
Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Goyard, Prada, Gucci, and YSL or Givenchy.
Ayun. And out of those you mentioned, anong top 1?
Depende sa market. Are we talking
Ah.
about the super rich?
May
May
ganon.
mid-market and may...
Sige, sa super
market.
rich. Yan.
Well,
sa
of course, super rich would be, of course, Hermes. It's still Hermes as the top selling brands for the people who can really afford. Yun pa rin yung binibili nila hanggang ngayon.
Ayun. And Chanel, where
Chanel
does it
is
fit?
Second. I mean, this
Second
too.
na.
Yeah, usually this too. Ito kasi yung mga tumataas yung value over the years.
Oh, sabi nga nila, crazy na raw ang prices ngayon.
Crazy.
Dumating daw ang point na parang, wow, ma-afford pa ba? Ganon.
Well, marami pa namang nakaka-afford.
Oh, pero mas mahal pa rin ang MS, no?
Oo.
Kasi wala namang milyon na Chanel.
Meron din. Pag
Meron
mga,
na rin,
yeah, yung mga exotic leathers.
Would you recommend na ngayon pa lang, mag-invest na sila sa Chanel?
Yeah.
Kasi baka next year, tataas na naman yung
There's
prices.
no doubt that hindi siya tataas. It always goes up. Every 6 months or every year, tataas sila ng price.
But the demand, will it still be there?
There's a big demand.
Will it still be hard to get one?
For classic ones, oo. Pero yung mga season bags, they can always buy it. Pero yung mga flap, like yung specially neutral colors, laging ubos yan sa shop.
So, ang
pag
classics
black,
for
beige,
Chanel ay?
Classic colors would be the black, beige, usually the brown family.
And the classic designs of Chanel?
Would be this kind of flap, double flap. This Liboy is also a classic. It's limited edition kasi yung hardware niya is surrounded here in the cover of the bag. It's a caviar leather. This is very rare kasi bihira yung may chain dito na nakapalibot sa bag. Usually wala siya.
At dahil wear siya, ano yung price range niya?
This is around 400,
Yeah.
brand new.
And tataas din.
Yeah, tumataas din ang value ng Liboy. This is second most in demand. Pangalawa sa classic double flap.
Yun. How do you clean, Tet, yung leather na caviar? Madali bang madumihan yan? Paano ba linilinis
Actually,
yan?
caviar is very friendly, especially pang everyday, compared to lambskin because lambskin is very soft and smooth. So pag nalagyan siya ng konting dirt, kita agad. But don't worry, like bag spa experts can really fix that.
Oh yes!
Remember?
Here at Exquisite Manila.
Yeah.
Go, talk about the bag spa.
We also do bag cleaning and bag restoration. So if you have some bags that are dirty and that are already has a lot of scuffings, we can fix that. Just send it here to our shop and we will take care of it.
Yung mga bags ko, personal bags ko, na nilinis nila Tet sa kanyang exquisite care. Yung super dumi ko na Hermes na Evelyn.
Ayan, diba?
Nagmukhang bago ulit.
So you're one of our happy customers,
happy
right?
customer. Ayan. So bring your bags here if they need cleaning or restoration. Bring your
Depends on the
bags.
case of the bag. But usually we do a lot of cleaning and bag spa.
There you have it, teammates. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa bag vlog na ito as much as I did. Naku, Tet, inaanak. Sobrang enjoy talaga ako. Basta ang topic tungkol sa bag.
Yes.
It makes my heart pound faster. It makes my heart skip a beat, ganyan. Basta mga bags. And I hope nag-enjoy din kayo, lalo na yung mga bag lovers out there. So tandaan natin what Tet said, na these are, yes, expensive kasi nga luxury brands, but there's a very good reason to invest in them.
Yes.
And another good reason is that if you really want them, meron silang good program, no, na layaway program to make your dream come true. And don't forget to watch, doon sa mga watch lovers, visit Papu's vlog, Julius Babo Unplugged, kasi ang ganda rin ho ng kanyang vlog na all about watches, di ba? Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and visit Exquisite Manila at hanapin nyo lang sila Lori and then all the beautiful ladies here. They will take care of you. Thanks again, Ted.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye for now. There. Lada, paubos na kasi. Tapos may.
Kaya natin yan. Go! Pwede na iisip eh.
Hindi nakagat. Tulog, buti pa yung anak namin. Tulog na.
Tulog na siya.
So that, wow! Uy, sa ending wave kayo lahat. Ayan. Teka, ano bang, halika dito na kayo, sumama na kayo sa There You Have It, teammates. Halika na. Dali.
Donna.
Yan. Diba? There you have it na eh. Don't forget to watch Papu's vlogs. Sa buhay, kanya-kanya tayo ng mga pangarap or aspirations. Para sa iba, ang aspiration nila ay magkaroon ng luxury bags, watches, shoes, travel. At para naman sa iba, ang aspiration nila ay magkaroon ng sarili nilang lupa at bahay at mga kotse. Panorin nyo ngayon ang aspirational story namin ni Julius nung nangarap kaming magkaroon ng lupa at bahay at mga kotse.
Hi guys! Welcome to our humble home.
Hello.
Ito ang aming tirahan ng Babaw family na aming pinaghirapan.
Also known as Casa Ochello.
Yes.
Ipinundar
Oo.
many years ago.
Oo.
Nalala mo pa ba, Papu?
Oo naman.
Anong year ba ito?
2003. Nagsimula na yung construction ng bahay. Pinaghirapan natin ang gusto yan. Pinag-ipunan natin. At may bahagi dyan na niloan natin. At eventually, after many years, ay nabayaran din natin. Pero nung tayo yung mag-asawa na, syempre, lumalaki na yung pamilya natin. Kinakailangan na natin mag-expand. So ito nakikita nyo sa likod namin, yan lang ang original house. Ito lang portion na to. And then, yun nga, I decided to extend yung property para mas lumaki. At yun na yung panahon na nag-loan ako sa PS Bank para i-fund itong property dito sa right side, yung extension namin. Yan. Para ma-accommodate yung yung ating pamilya. Saka yung ating art collection kasi kami po ni Mamu ay mahilig mangolekta ng art. So yung dati naming tirahan, hindi na po kumakasya yung aming mga paintings. Kulang na ho kami sa pader. Kaya naisipan namin na mag-extend the future Casa Ochello. Siyempre, kinakailangan may malaking halaga ng funds na magsusupport doon sa bahay na ating nais na ipagawa. Kaya at that time, marami akong mga nilapita, mga banks. Pero may isang bangko na naging madaling kausap. Ito ang PS Bank. Napaka-smooth ng aming pag-uusap. Tapos, since malaki yung halagang kailangan ko, hindi naman basta-basta inaaprobahan yan ng ibang mga banks. Kasi nga, kinakailangan medyo maganda yung record mo doon sa bangko na yun. Fortunately, they trusted me and I trusted them. Kaya nga, madaling na-approve yung loan ko, kahit na malaki yung halaga.
At kaya mo yung monthly
Oo.
amortization
Kahit na
based on the salary
based
that you
on the
had
salary.
at the time.
So, malakas ang loob ko. Tapos madali na makausap din ng PS Bank, kaya mabilis silang na-aprobahan.
So, ang galing, no? Hindi ka kailangan maghintay ng matagal.
Oo.
Parang isang tulog lang or a few days lang.
Yeah.
Ma-approve na yung loan mo.
Oo.
Basta you submit the proper documents, and then, syempre, ma-approve lang nila na kaya mong magbayad, ma-approve agad yung loan.
Oo.
Oo.
So, hindi naman lump sum nilalabas yung pera, no? Dahil malaking halaga yun, dinivide yun, depende sa sa nagagawa na namin doon sa structure so far.
So,
no?
in short, for every phase of the house na makomplete, tsaka nire-release
Saka
ng
magre-release.
PS Bank yung
para,
sum.
para hindi lahat
Yeah.
ibubuhos, no?
Yeah, got it.
Ayun, after ilang years din, finally, natapos na yung dream house natin. At eto na nga, nagawa na nga natin yung Casa Ochelo.
Yeah.
Thanks to PS Bank. Siguro kung hindi dahil sa PS Bank, medyo mahirap siyang itayo.
Ituwid.
You really need someone like PS Bank na aalalay sa'yo at magtitiwala sa'yo at pagtitiwalaan mo. It's a partnership parang give and take yan na nagtitiwala sila sa akin na hindi ko gagamitin yung pera na papahiram nila sa hindi tama. Ako naman ay umaasa doon sa kanilang suporta na binibigay para matupad yung aking dream house.
But wait, there's more. Hindi lang yun. Hindi lang itong main house at saka yung annex ang iniloan natin. May isa pa at nakakatuwa yung kwento ng property na ito kung bakit kinailangan ulit mag-loan ni Papu sa PS Bank. Ito yung property na ito. Ito nakikita niyong property sa likod namin. Maganda ang kwento nito. Si Tony na mismo magkukwento sa inyo. Tony, kwento mo kwento dito sa lupa sa likod natin.
So, nung bata ako, naglalaro ako, di ba? So, habang naglalaro ako, may nakita ko bigla, may for sale sign dito sa lupa na ito, nakalagay for sale. Hindi ko alam bakit, pero nung bata ako, parang sinabi ng ulo ko sa akin, naiinis ako dito sa for sale sign na ito, So, ang ginawa ko is, kinuha ko si tatay, dinala ko siya dito sa lupa na ito, tapos sinipa ko yung for sale sign, tapos as a way na
Tinanggal niya.
Tinanggal ko!
Tinanggal niya.
Tinanggal ko yung for sale sign.
Imagine.
To indicate na gustong-gusto ko itong property. Ayaw ko itong for sale sign. Sa akin na to. Sabi ni tatay, sige na nga. Baka good sign pa ito. Baka may meaning to. So,
Ginawa ko, syempre, dahil hindi ko naman matatanggihan yung aking anak, dahil gusto ko rin naman yung property, diretso na ako sa PS Bank agad. Syempre, sa aking big brother or big sister na PS Bank. Tapos, ayun, nag-inquire na ako sa loan para mabili namin itong property na to. Maganda naman yung rate na binigay ng PS Bank. Tapos, very affordable naman for us yung terms. So, ginrab na namin. At as you can see, ito na ngayon yung lupa na develop na namin. Meron na kaming office dito. Tapos meron kaming bodega. Saka meron kaming grape garden.
Yun. Ngayon, para mapanood nyo yung aming mga vlogs tungkol sa Grape Garden, puntahan nyo po yung YouTube channel ko at ni Papu, yan, Christine Babo's channel, Julius Babo Unplugged, i-type nyo lang Casa Ochelo Grape Garden. Doon makikita nyo kung yung pag-harvest namin dito, yung paano inano ni Papu, di ba? Pinlant yung mga grape vines.
So, aside from yung bahay na pinagawa natin, nag-loan din tayo ng pambili ng car. O, nag-apply tayo ng car loan sa PS Bank at ito nga yung kotse na yon.
Memorable to
Grandia.
guys. Memorable tong Grandia kasi kakapanganak ko lang ba June? Kakapanganak ko pa lang, so 2010. 2024 na. Tama ba?
14 years ago.
Andito pa rin ho siya.
Hindi pa to
Yung
naglolo ko.
Grandia.
Solid na solid. At hindi mo mababa ang value
Yeah.
ng Grandia. But syempre, hindi natin magagawa yan kundi tayo inalalayan ng PS Bank.
Yeah.
It only took 2 paintings na malaki na binenta ko para mabayaran ko yung utang ko sa PS Bank. In full.
In full. Yeah.
So imagine, no? 2 paintings, sold it, nabayaran ko lahat ng utang ko sa PS Bank. Pero ang pinakamaganda sa lahat, hindi ako hinaras ng PS Bank. Hindi ako nakaranas ng inconvenience or discomfort habang nakikipag-usap ako sa PS Bank. They were really,
Very
professional,
understanding of the
they were
situation.
understanding, they were compassionate. So, talagang na-feel ko talaga na this is a relationship. Hindi lang siya basta-basta nangutang ako sa kanila, kundi nakapag-establish ako ng relasyon sa bangkong itong PS Bank. Yun. So yun, kaya I hope itong kwento natin will serve as an inspiration sa mga kababayan natin na gusto rin magkaroon ng bahay at dream house po yan. Huwag niyo pong hahayaan na madiskaril ang inyong mga pangarap sa buhay. It takes courage, it takes determination para ma-fulfill nyo ang inyong mga dreams sa buhay. At pwede nyo pong kausapin ang PS Bank. Kaakibat nyo ho yan sa inyong pagtupad ng mga pangarap sa buhay.
Huwag kayong mangamba na baka hindi nyo matupad ang inyong dream house dahil baka hindi nyo kayang bayaran kasi pwede nyo naman kausapin ang PS Bank and I'm sure they'll come up with something, no? Plan or a loan program na within your budget, within your means na makakayanan yung bayaran. They'll be there for you.
Tama. Yan. So, I hope
Thank
naging
you,
inspiration po
guys.
ang ating kwento ngayong araw na ito sa inyo. And yun lang. Hold on to your dreams. Dream big. At magkaroon kayo ng partner na
Yeah.
katulad ng PS Bank.
So God bless you and your family and God bless your home.
Hello po, ako po si Papo Julius.
At ako naman po si Mamu Tintin.
Manood po kayo ng aming TV show, ang Julius at Tintin para sa pamilyang Pilipino.
Sa Signal TV 1PH channel with live streaming sa 1PH Facebook and YouTube pages.
At sa Julius and Tintin Show Facebook page. Mag-follow and subscribe na rin sa amin at manood.
pati na rin sa Julius and Christine, the YouTube channel. Suportahan po natin ang programa namin na may layuning tumulong sa pamilyang Pilipino.
Ito po ang Julius and Tintin para sa pamilyang Pilipino.